What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I'm going to show you a number of good stuff that you're not going to want to miss, including some huge discounts on trade ideas. Check it out. All right, guys. So first things first, do me a quick favor, hit the like button. It helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. You know I go live basically every single day in pre-market. We put out all the information, watch list for free, all that good stuff. Only thing I ask in return is to a little bit of support on the channel. Really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Now, today, this video is something that's last minute for me. I wasn't planning on making this video today. As a matter of fact, I had another video scheduled for today, but I received an email a little while ago from Trade Ideas where they are letting us know that they were able to negotiate their rates on their side of things, on their cost down. And instead of keeping that extra profit, you know what they decided to do? They're passing that on to us, to the end consumer. They're actually going to lower prices on the trade idea scanners. And that's amazing, right? Because we're in an environment right now where everything is going up in price. Inflation is running rampant and everything is going up in price. And for a company to come out here and take care of us as end game consumers here, as a customer and bring price down, that's huge. And not only are they bringing price down, but they've actually added a 20% coupon code on top of that. That is amazing. And there's a link in the description and comment section below. You can take advantage of that if you like and go check out the pricing, go check out the scanners and what the extra 20% off gets you, because it's a no-brainer deal in my opinion right now. Also, since the market has decided to implode, it is starting to be a really good time for long-term investing as far as adding to long-term extra holds, all right? And today we started day one of that workshop at the daytraderchatroom.com in the Discord. Now, after we do our live trading in the morning and our live trading recap from the morning, okay, we always go into live lessons on the day. But today, instead of doing a regular live lesson, what I did was we started day one of our workshop where we go over how to invest long-term throughout a market crash. All right, so today's day one, tomorrow's day two. And if you want to take advantage of that and join us, the only way to do that is access it through DTC Lite or DTC Pro. There's a link in the description and comment section where you can join us as a DTC Lite student and gain access to day two tomorrow. All right, I will recap day one and start day two tomorrow after we're done trading in the morning. And that's just 30 days for free. It's on us. The link's there. And then after that, it's just $24.99 if you want to keep, if you want to stay with us. It's $24.99. The link is down there in the description and comment section. So I think it's a no-brainer to join and come hang out with us, okay? Now, let's go ahead and jump into the video here. I'm going to show you the trade idea scanners really quickly. I'm going to show you the tuned scanners that they already bring right out the box. And we're going to talk a little bit about that. So let's go ahead. All right, guys, so here we go. Here are some of the trade idea scanners. Now, I have my own settings on my scanners. You've seen them before. We've talked about them. I've shown them to you. If you're a DTC Lite or a DTC Pro student or you want to join, I will give you, if you join, I'll give you my scanner settings, and then you can keep them like that, or you can adjust them to your own liking if you like from there. But here what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of the scanners that already come pre-made. All right, they're already tuned out scanners. If you're into racing cars or diesel trucks, you can always tune your motor with a laptop and basically just you tune it. You change settings within it. Now you can also buy a box tuned setup. Like for example, I have a diesel truck that I like to drive. I use it to pull my boat and stuff like that. It's a Chevy Silverado 2500 HD, and I have a tune on that one, but it's a box tuner. I don't want to fiddle around with laptops and make my own tunes. So I bought my own box tune. It's already pre-tuned, it's connected, and it does what it's supposed to do. Now the same thing with trade ideas. You see this here, this is called the channel bar. Here you have an endless amount of different types of scanners that are all already tuned, ready to rock and roll and help you find stocks to trade, okay? You have unusual volume. If you click unusual volume, boom, you get scanners that'll show you stocks with unusual volume. If you want to trade Wall Street bets type stocks, you look right here. You click Wall Street bets and bang, a bunch of different scanners show up, all right, with charts ready to rock and roll. And you can always adjust this make it to the sizes that you want on the charts, and of course on the scanners themselves. Here are the scanners that are coming in with this tune, okay? You can look at Holly, the AI, and see what it's doing, right? It'll show you here what it's doing right now as far as P&L wise, the amount of shares it would trade. You can set this up to trade for you if you like, or you can just, you know, kind of use it as a gauge and do the trading yourself manually. You have social sentiment scanners right here. Boom. These social sentiment scanners are awesome. So if you want to use these, you can, right? Here you go. You have strength alerts. Okay. You have SPACs. So scanners for SPACs. These are all preset. You can adjust them if you like. Okay, you can adjust them and maybe like change the presettings to your own liking, right? You can mess with them and fiddle with them a little bit to find stuff you are more interested in. Here are EVs if you want to just trade EV stocks. There are your EV scanners. Okay, account builder if you want to look for trades that can help you build a small account. Here you go. Once again, you have more scanners. All right, we have price alerts you can set here. If you want to trade, you know, pre-market or look for your pre-market list, here you go. You can build out a pre-market list right here. You have pre-market scans ready to rock and roll. And I mean, guys, this just goes on and on and on. Swing trades, if you want to look for swing trades, you have swing trade scanners that are ready to rock and roll. All right, you have Alpha Predator right there. Here are those scans. If you want to see just stocks that are going down because you like to short into weakness, smart thing to do. Well, everything's weak right now. So there you go, right? And this just goes on and on and on, guys, and on and on and on and on and on. Unusual options. Some people like to trade unusual options, right? There you go. More scanners. So the point is, you don't have to fiddle around with this and make it your own customized thing. You can, and these things are so customizable. It's insane. You could just use the box tuned scans already, and there's just an endless amount of scans you can use here. You can also link your E-Trade account. If you have an E-Trade account, you can link your E-Trade with this, put in your settings, and have it trade automatically for you. If you're into that, you can do that as well. There's a link in the description and comment section. You can check it out, see what the discounts are, see what these new prices are, because the price drops are really good, plus the 20% off code. That's amazing. The 20% off ends on March 7th, but I'd say you want to take advantage of it now because the market is extremely volatile now, and now's when you want really good scanners. I've been using Trade Ideas for, I don't even know how long now, 5-6 years. I've been using Trade Ideas since early on. I was literally using Trade Ideas when I was trading in a simulator, learning to trade, because I wanted to have the right tools with me from the beginning, and I never looked back. I always use the Trade Ideas scanners. I use them every single day in the morning to look at my gap scans. I use them throughout the day, high day scanners. I have my high day scanner settings. So I don't think that I don't see myself ever not using Trade Ideas at this point, all right? So any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer them. Remember, tomorrow is day 2 of the long-term investing type workshop we're doing, so I hope to see you there. Any questions about that, you can ask below as well. And remember to smash the like button for me. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.